A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos, sit properly and look at the board. In yesterday's class, we discussed about unitary method sums. Okay, unitary method problems. Okay, yesterday I given homework, revision exercise and exercise 5.1 problems I given homework, but anybody not did homework. So once again I will explain those problems only, children. Okay, remaining problems I will explain. Only yesterday Bhavani, Kalvala Bhavani only sent to me. Remaining anyone not sent to me. So once again I will explain. Okay, children. Exercise 5.1. Now I am going to explain fifth problem, children. Fifth one. A scooter travels 650 kilometers in 8 hours. How much distance will it cover in 18 hours? Okay. I am going to explain fifth problem from exercise 5.1. A scooter travels 260 kilometers in 8 hours. How much distance will it cover in 18 hours? Okay, once you read the question, children, first you understand this problem. First of all, a scooter travels 260 kilometers in 8 hours. In 8 hours, a scooter travels distance is 260 kilometers. How much distance will it cover in 18 hours? In 18 hours, how much distance the scooter will cover the distance? How much distance it will cover? Okay. What we have to do first of all? We have to do first division. Write the first step. What is the first step? The distance. A scooter travels distance in 8 hours. Scooter travel distance in 8 hours. In 8 hours. 260 kilometers. Okay. First step is a scooter traveled distance in 8 hours. How much distance? 260 kilometers. Next, we have to find out how much distance will it cover in 18 hours. Scooter travels distance in 18 hours. have to find out this one. What we do, children, first? What is the first step? We have to do first division. First, a scooter traveled distance in 1 hour. Okay, a scooter traveled distance in 1 hour. Sana, look at the board. Sana. Scooter travels distance in 1 hour. What we do? 260 divided by 8. 260 divided by 8. No division here. 260 divided by 8. 8 3s are 24. Yes? 8 3s are 24. 26 minus 24, 2. Next we have to take 0. 20. To 20 nearest and smallest number. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. 4. What we do here? We have to keep point. Okay? We have to keep point. Because of here 4 less than 8. That's why in quotient place we have to keep point, and in dividend place we have to write 0. 8 5s are 40. 40 minus 40, 0. Okay? A scooter traveled distance in 1 hour. Yes, 32 kilometers. 32 kilometers. 32.5 kilometers. Okay? 32.5 kilometers. Next, we have to find out a scooter traveled distance in 18 hours. Okay, what we do? Here, 1 hour. A scooter travels distance in 1 hour, 32.5 kilometers. We have to multiply by 32.5 kilometers multiply by 18. Multiply. (32.5) into 18. 18 5s are 18 5s are 90. Okay, 18 5s are 90. 90, not 60. 18 5s are 90. Ah, very good, Rita. 90. 18 2s are 18 2s are 36. 36. 36 plus 9. 36 plus 9. Add 9 and say the answer. 45. Very good. 45. Next, 18 3s are. 18 3s are. Say 18 3s are, anyone. Yes, very good. 54. 54 plus 4. 54 plus 4. Add 4. 58. Good children. 58. Already, you know, point is there here. We have to keep point where 0 before. So, what is the answer? 585 kilometers. Very good. A scooter travels distance in 18 hours. In 18 hours. In 18 hours, 585 kilometers. Okay, 585 kilometers. Okay. Did you understand, children? Okay, all are saying understand only. But anyone not sending to me homework? Okay. Kilometers. Very good. Okay, right on. Now, did you understand, children, how to do? I think you don't know how to write steps. That's why you're not writing homework. I'm thinking that one only. Yes? Am I right, children? Try to write steps also. Meaningful steps. First, you read the question, you understand this problem. First, what is 260 kilometers? Write that one first step. Next, what is 18 hours? What we have to find out. We have to write that steps. Afterwards, do first division, afterwards multiplication. Then you get answer. Okay. Next, remaining problems compulsory. You have to complete and send me, children. Don't be neglected. I will explain one more problem from revision exercise. From revision exercise, second problem. Second one, if a dozen mangoes cost rupees 90. Rupees 90. What would be the cost of 7 mangoes? What would be the cost of 7 mangoes? Here given dozen mangoes cost. We have to find out 7 mangoes cost. Okay, dozen means how many articles? Dozen. Yes, very good. 12. First step is, we have to write first step, dozen mangoes cost. The cost of dozen mangoes. The cost of dozen mangoes. How much? Cost of 7 mangoes already completed, girl. Okay, first cost of 1 mango cost. First we have to find out cost of 1 mango. We have to find out first cost of 1 mango. Afterwards, we can find out 7 mangoes cost. Okay? Rupees 90. First, we have to find out 1 mango cost. What we do? We do division. 90 divided by 12. Dozen means 12. That's why we have to do division. 90 divided by 12. Here dozen equals 12 apples. Okay. Next. The cost of 7 mangoes. The cost of 7 mangoes. First, the cost of 1 mango. cost of one mango. What we do? Division. 90 divided by 12. 90 divided by 12. Do division. 90 divided by 12. Yes, 12 sevens are 84. Okay. Next, 12 sevens are 84. Now, one mango cost is not 7 rupees. 90 minus 84 is 6. Take point here. In quotient place, we have to write point. Okay? Write point here and 0. Write 0 here. 12 5s are 60. Very good. 7 rupees 50 pice. One mango cost is 7 rupees 50 pice. 60. Rupees 7 50 pice. Okay? 7 rupees 50 pice. Right here 0 also. Nothing will happen. 7 rupees 50 pice. Then we have to 55 not 55 not only 50 50 7 rupees 50 pice. Okay, 7 rupees 50 pice. Now we have to find out 7 mangoes cost. Okay, cost of 7 mangoes. What we do? 7 into 7 rupees 50 pice multiply. 7 rupees 50 pice into 7. 7 zeros are 0. 7 fives are 35. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49 plus 3. 49 plus 3. Yes, very good. 52. 52.50 means 52 rupees 50 pice. 7 mangoes cost is 52 rupees 50 pice. The cost of 7 mangoes. Confirmation last. The cost of 7 mangoes rupees 52 rupees 50 pice. Rupees 52 50 pice. 50 pice also boy. Here 5 zeros are 0. Sorry, 7 zeros are 0. 7 fives are 35. 7 fives are 35. 7 sevens are 49. 49 plus 3. 52. So the cost of 7 mangoes 52 rupees 50 pice. Okay. Did you understand, children? First we have to find out one of the cost. Afterwards we have to find out many cost. Many things of cost of many things. Okay, but why not doing homework? So many children are not sending to me homework. In exercise 5.1 and revision exercise 5.1 I explained 1, 2, 3 problems I explained. 3 or 4 problems I am only explained. Next from revision exercise also I explained 3 problems. So remaining problems up to today evening you complete and send me, children. Okay? Don't be neglected. Did you understand? Akula Aditya. You're not doing homework. Your fair notes also you did not send to me. You complete. I hope you got it. 4th unit fair notes also. Yes. I sent 4th unit fair notes. So you complete that fair notes also and submit in office room. Okay. Your fair notes also up to 4th unit. Okay, children. In tomorrow class, I will explain averages. Okay, averages 6th unit. I hope in today's class you understand. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Okay, completed. Okay, take correction, children. Take signature. You submit in office room. I will do correction and I will send to you. Okay? Not only Rizwan, all of you. All members, you complete your fair no sign, send me. Okay. Okay. Very good, children. Okay. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Bye.